Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to talk about the musical alphabet, which consists of the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. C is usually the first note we learn on the keyboard or in music theory, and C is just to the immediate left of the set of two black keys. So wherever you see these guys, C is always here for the whole keyboard. And from C, we just say the rest of the alphabet. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. That's great. So we have the whole alphabet now. But what about the black keys? These are called sharps and flats, or accidentals depending on context. And sharp means go right, flat means go left. So the way we say it is D sharp, for example. So if I want to find D sharp on the keyboard, I find D, so C, D, and then go to the right by the nearest note, also known as a half step. So there's D sharp. If I want to find D flat, C, D, we go to the left now, D flat. If I want to find, let's say, F sharp, C, D, E, F, we have F sharp right here. If I want to find E sharp, C, D, E, and then nearest note to the right, E sharp, or F. So some notes have the same place, like some notes are the same, but they have different names, and they're called enharmonic equivalents. And we'll touch on that a little bit later, but it's just something to know. But yeah, that's basically it. Also, if you are in FL Studio, I suggest you open up Piano Roll, go to this arrow, and go to View, Key Labels, and click on All Notes. You might have this as default, but if you go over here, this should help you remember where all the note names are. So yeah, practice that, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.